How to fix an unknown error occurred. Please try again. Login on Roblox PC. So if you want to fix that, what you need to do is first you need to open up a browser in which you are facing the problem. So open up the browser. I'll be here with my Chrome browser. Once you choose your browser, you need to go for your account, and under your account you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Click on that and go for the settings. Under settings, here you will have privacy and security. Go for privacy and security. Under privacy and security, if you scroll down here, you will have delete browsing data. Go for that, and then here under the time range, you need to select all time. Once you've selected, now you need to go for delete data, which is here on the bottom right. Tap on that, click on delete data, and once you delete your browsing data, your problem will be fixed. Now you can simply go with your Roblox. You can open up with your browser, or you can go with the application, and then you can log into your account. So enter the username, email address, or phone number, and then the password. And once you've entered, go for the login, and once you log into your account, your problem will be fixed. So that's it for now, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.